Hello children, how are you? Take out your mathematics textbook, chapter 6. Which is our 6th chapter? See here. What is our 6th chapter? Multiplication. What is our 6th chapter? Multiplication. Say spelling. multiplication. 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 Read with me. multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. All members learn multiplication spelling. Good. Now, see here. Page number 58. Open it. Okay. See. Tick the groups which have equal number of objects. Which have equal number of objects. Which have C. Tick. Write the group. In first one, this first A question, see. In A question 2, all stars only given. First stars blue color, next red color, next stars, next box to green color stars. This is which color? Pink color stars. So in 4 boxes to stars is there. Some different colors. So which stars are same? Which box to same number of stars is there? So let's count now. Count with me. First of all, blue color stars. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one 6 stars. How many stars is there? 6. Here. Remember it, okay? This one 6 stars in first box too. Next, orange color stars. How many orange color stars is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orange color stars, how many is there? 5. See. Here 6. Here 5. Next. Here. Which color is this? Say, which color is this? Green color. How many stars is there? Let's count now. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many stars is there in this box? 6 stars. So, 6 box. Tick, write the groups have equal number of objects. So, which one is equal numbers of objects is there? So, you keep right tick. Here also 6. Green color stars also 6. Orange color is 5 only. Not same. Next pink color stars. Now count it. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So not same. So only both. These two only equal. You keep right tick. Okay? Good children. Completed this? Next one. B1. See here B. What is this? You know this? What is this? Mangoes. You want mangoes? You like? Okay. See how many boxes are given? 4 boxes to some mangoes are given. So let's now count it. Okay? Count it now. Count with me. In first box to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? How many mangoes are there in first box? 4. In first box to 4. Second box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next box to 5. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 only this box. Very less. Here last box to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So which one is same? Equal numbers objects only. Which box 2? This one 4, this one 5, 3, 5. 5 is same only. Second box and fourth box is same. So you keep right tick. Second box and fourth box. Understand, children? Keep right tick. Next C1. What is this? Say, what is this? Brinjal. Brinjal is fruit. Vegetable only. See here, so many brinjals is there in 4 boxes too. 4 boxes too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes too. Brinjals is there. So in first box, how many brinjals is there? 1, 2. In first box too, 2 only. In second box too, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second box to 4. Third box to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This last box to 2. In this brinjal 4 boxes to which one is same? Equal number brinjals are there in boxes to. First box is 2. Last box is 2. Understand, children? First box to 2. Last box to also 2. So both are equal only. That's why keep right tick. Next down one. B1. Leaves is there. There in 4 box to leaves is there. First box to how many leaves are there? Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. First box to 4. Second box to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second box to 5. Here 4. This one count it. Say how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Which boxes are same? Which boxes are equal numbers of leaves? First box and third box. You keep right tick. Okay, children, completed? Count it. Keep right tick. See and right tick. Page number 58. Okay. See. Complete it now. Completed? Next one now. Next one. Count in groups and find total. This first question. What is our first question? Count in groups and find total. What is this? What is this? Fan. Here also fan. Their blades is there, fan. How many blades is there? How many blades have fan? 3 blades only. So total number of blades in 3 fans. In first fans to how many now? How many blades are there? 1, 2, 3. In first one to 3. Second one to 1, 2, 3. Second fan to also 3. Third one 1, 2, 3. Second one also 3. So total how much? Which symbol is there? Addition symbol. Addition means add it. 3 plus 3. How much? 5? No, wrong. 6. Good. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Very good. See here. Big question. What is this? Bicycles only? You are riding bicycle? Okay, see children. Bicycle have wheels. How many wheels have one bicycle? Two wheels. How many? Two wheels. How many wheels having? Two wheels. Total number of wheels in four bicycles. In first cycle, how many wheels are there? One, two. So let's now write two. Second bicycle. One, two. Third one, two. Fourth one. Here also same 2. So now let's add it. 2 plus 2. How much? 2 plus 2. 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 8. 8 plus 2. 4 plus 2 8. No. Wrong. 4 plus 2 how much? 6. Don't say wrong. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8. See here. What is this? Goats. See how many goats are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goats. So goats have legs only. How many legs having one goat? 4 legs. How many legs having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. Total number of legs of 5 goats. First goat, how many legs having? Let's count now. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here second goat too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third, same 4 only. Fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also same 4. Let's now count it. Total how many having? 5 goats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4. Now let's count now. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 how much? 8. 8 plus 4. 12. 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 how much? 12 plus 4? 16. 16 plus 4. Count it now. 16 plus 4. 20. So, total number of legs. Total number of legs of how many goats to? 5 goats to. How many? How many having? 5 goats to 20 legs. See, I am saying, repeat to, I am saying, see, I repeat once again. Count in groups and find the total. So, 3 fans to total number of blades in 3 fans. 1 fans to 3 blades. 3 fans to how many blades? 3 plus 3 plus 3. In 3 times only repeated. So, we will add it. 9. Understand? Same bicycle also same like that only. Understand children? Okay. Write this. Write all of you. Completed?